Most construction apps work great in the office. Then you get to an actual job site, the signal disappears, and suddenly your team cannot access schedules, photos, plans, or daily logs. Here's the truth no one tells you. Offline functionality is not a nice bonus anymore. In 2026, it is one of the most important features construction software can have. In this video, we are breaking down the best construction apps that actually work offline on job sites. We will cover which apps handle weak internet best, which ones sync data reliably later, and which platforms make life easier for crews working in basements, remote areas, steel buildings, and dead zones. And near the end, I'll show you the one offline feature most contractors completely forget to test before choosing software. Let's get started. First, let's answer the biggest question. Why does offline mode matter so much now? Because job sites are unpredictable. One project has perfect Wi-Fi. The next one has terrible cell service for weeks. Imagine John is running a remodeling crew inside a concrete building downtown. The signal drops constantly. His team cannot load updated plans. Photos fail to upload. Daily reports disappear halfway through submission. That slows down everything. Now compare that to Alex. Alex uses software with proper offline functionality. His crew keeps working normally even without internet. Once the signal returns, everything syncs automatically. That difference saves massive amounts of frustration. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of construction software companies claim they support offline mode. But there is a huge difference between limited offline viewing and true offline workflow support. This is where most people fail. They assume offline means everything works without internet. That is not always true. Some apps only let you view previously opened files offline. Others allow full editing, photo uploads, notes, and task management that sync later. That difference matters a lot on real projects. So let's talk about the strongest offline-friendly construction apps in 2026. One of the best-known options is Procore. Procore's mobile app has strong offline capabilities for drawings, punch lists, inspections, and field collaboration. Crews can often continue working even when the internet drops temporarily. This is one reason large commercial contractors like it. But here's the problem. Procore is expensive for smaller companies. And some smaller contractors end up paying for way more software than they actually need. Now here's where Contractor Foreman becomes interesting. Contractor Foreman offers mobile functionality that works reasonably well in weaker connection environments, while keeping costs much lower than enterprise platforms. It is popular with smaller contractors who still need field reporting, schedules, inspections, and project tracking. But if your crews are extremely non-technical, there can be a learning curve. Now let's talk about Buildertrend because residential contractors ask about this constantly. Buildertrend's mobile app allows access to schedules, communication tools, project updates, and certain project information, while crews are moving between connection zones. It is especially strong for communication and project coordination. But here's something important. No offline system is perfect if your team never syncs devices correctly. And this is the hidden issue many contractors discover too late. If workers avoid updating apps or syncing data regularly, offline workflows can become messy. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to test offline performance before buying any software. But first, let's discuss what features matter most offline. The most important offline features are usually these: access to plans and drawings, photo uploads and storage, daily logs, task updates, punch lists, time tracking, safety forms. If your crews lose access to those tools during weak connectivity, productivity drops fast. Now here's where things get really important. Different trades need different offline strengths. For example, a residential remodeler may mostly need schedules, photos, and client communication. A commercial contractor may need large drawing sets, RFIs, inspections, and safety reporting offline. That changes which app fits best. Now let's talk about Autodesk Build because large projects often rely on it. Autodesk Build supports offline workflows for drawings, issue tracking, and field collaboration. It is especially strong for larger commercial teams already using Autodesk products. But again, complexity matters. Smaller contractors sometimes choose enterprise software because it sounds impressive, then struggle with implementation. This is why software fit matters more than hype. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some of the best offline workflows are actually found in simpler apps. Apps like FieldWire are popular because they focus heavily on field usability. Crews can access drawings, create tasks, and manage punch items without relying entirely on constant connectivity. Field-first design matters more than giant feature lists. And honestly, this is the biggest mistake many office managers make. They evaluate software from a desktop computer with perfect internet. That is not real-world testing. Your superintendent should test the app in an actual low-signal environment. Go to a basement. Go inside a steel structure. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then see what still works. That is the test that matters. Now let's discuss syncing, because this is where offline systems either succeed or become a nightmare. A good offline app automatically syncs changes once the internet returns. A bad one creates duplicate files, missing photos, or conflicting updates. And trust me, few things frustrate crews more than losing field data after a long day. This is why reliability matters more than fancy animations or pretty dashboards. Now let's talk about another overlooked factor. Storage. Offline apps often store local data temporarily on devices. If crews use older phones with limited storage, performance problems can happen. So before choosing any app, make sure your field devices are modern enough to handle offline syncing smoothly. This sounds small, but it causes real issues on job sites. Now here's the easiest way to evaluate any construction app for offline work. Test 5 things. Can you open drawings offline? Can you create updates offline? Can you upload photos offline? Does syncing happen automatically later? And does the app clearly show what is synced and what is not? If an app struggles with those basics, it will create headaches later. Now let's quickly compare who each platform fits best. Procore is excellent for larger commercial operations needing serious field coordination and offline drawing access. Buildertrend is great for residential builders focused on scheduling, communication, and client-facing workflows. Contractor Foreman offers strong value for smaller contractors wanting broad functionality without huge pricing. FieldWire is especially strong for field teams needing practical offline drawing and task management. And Autodesk Build fits larger operations already invested in the Autodesk ecosystem. Now here's the most important thing to remember. Offline support is not just about internet access. It is about reducing interruptions. Construction already has enough chaos. Your software should remove friction, not add more. Every minute spent waiting for a page to load on a weak signal is lost productivity. Every missing photo creates confusion later. Every failed sync can delay decisions. Reliable offline workflows keep projects moving. So if you work in remote areas, commercial structures, new developments, rural locations, or signal-heavy dead zones, offline functionality should absolutely be part of your buying decision. And honestly, in 2026, it should probably be near the top of your list. Let's wrap this up. The best construction app for offline job site use depends on your project size, team complexity, and workflow needs. If you want enterprise-level offline coordination, Procore and Autodesk Build are strong options. If you want better value and easier adoption, Contractor Foreman and Buildertrend are excellent choices. If you want highly practical field-focused functionality, FieldWire deserves serious attention. But no matter what software you choose, test it in real-world conditions before committing. Not in your office. Not on perfect Wi-Fi. Test it where your crews actually work. That is how you avoid expensive software mistakes. If this video helped you narrow down the best offline construction apps, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the worst job site internet situation you have ever dealt with. And if you want more construction software comparisons and reviews for 2026, check out the next video right now.